First one is the Onyx Galaxy S25 Ultra Camo Green. I like their packages. So yeah, I love that they give you this sticker, and you will see it is in all of their cases. So what does it say in here? Shock absorption, and this is an R991RO, made in Korea. Live a better day, they say. So yeah, as you can see, it's raised around the cameras. It has all the cutouts. It's actually protected, reinforced on the corners. Buttons are covered. The Ringke name in there. You can even put a lanyard or something. And yeah, let's put it on. See how easy it is to put this on as well. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's way above the cameras, camera lenses. Buttons are covered, and if it falls down, you can see this is raised a bit, and then again in here it's raised, so it will fall flat and you have no problem. In terms of grip, it's grippy, a bit slippery, but then it grips. So yeah, that's the Onyx, I think, Camo Green case.